Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh, recording on the iPad. This is part one. The other part will be for channel members of Pittsburgh Unboxing. And I had 7 kitties to feed tonight. Mama cat, kitten, got the pet mama cat and kitten. Tiny one who loved. I made half breast chicken in the oven, and the tiny one loved it. And then I went over and fed Tuxie and Pretty One and Shy One, and they went crazy for the chicken. So that made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then while Tiny One was eating, this cat zoomed up on the steps, and she got a little spooked. So I was, all right, Tiny One, go back and eat. And I put a can on the curb, and this beautiful gray and white tabby with a white chin, I think it was a boy. I didn't see my white phone before I left and was only 1% charged. I would have been in trouble. But a beautiful kitty cat, and it sniffed at the cat and then started digging in. So I fed 7 cats tonight. And the fetch points are, just got 24 more from Amazon, $67,299. I'm watching YouTube videos and playing on the the iPad. Okay, this is Island Glass Screen Protector. I've used this on several iPads when they worked. And here's the fun, trying to open it. They've got this, they've got this really tight, with no indication how to open it. It feels like it's rubberized and glued. This is weird. I hope there's a screen protector in there. Time to get the knife. Or a knife. They want to make sure this stays secure. Ooh, I don't want to cut myself. Okay, there we go. Now the question is, I'm going to have to do it down the side or the back, the bottom. All right, see? Oh, there we go. I don't want to cut my leg. I ordered other stuff from Amazon too. Will be coming Tuesday and Wednesday. Kathy will be here Wednesday. And I have to go to the credit union today, but I'm going to do some wash first. I just threw out the garbage. Okay. Well, the bottom doesn't want to come open. This is harder than the cracks in Fort Knox. Okay. They give you a cleaning cloth, which I could use. My fingerprints are all over the iPad. They give you a useless piece of foam. They give you instructions. They give you dust absorbers. I'm not sure what a dust absorber is. 100% money-back replacement guarantee. Cleaning wipes. 2 of those. So I have cleaned the iPad. I'm still playing my game. And the screen protector. They give you 1 and 2. So I have 2 screen protectors. So this is what you get. I bought these before on Amazon. I forget what I paid for them. 9H hardness can protect your screen from scratches and external shocks. Anti-shatter film when broken to crumble into small granular chunks instead of splintering as glass, plate glass grates. But if it shatters, you're still screwed. I've had that happen to one iPad. The oleophobic coating can prevent fingerprints or other stains, make the film easy to clean. Delicate touch. And then I also bought I think I bought a screen cleaner for my Sony, and I'm going to go to Kathy's Cleaner Max screen. 135 degree curving rate, 99% luminousness, anti-oil stains and anti-fingerprints. So there you are. And this is their 9H real glass delicate touch. I'm having a problem with the iPad. Every time I push on anything, I have to tap it a number of times. I gotta ask Apple about that. A clean cloth will be useful. All right, channel numbers are 1,557,913, 19,602 subscribers. And I have to pick up all this stuff at the end of the day because the other night, Kathy and I were looking for my hoodie and my sweats and my shirt and my scarf and my hat, and it was all buried at the end of the bed. So can't do anything but going to bed till I straighten this out. So I got a couple empty bins I'm going to put stuff in. I took everything, all the paperwork off the desk and put it in a box. Got to go through it. And Kathy and I will go out on Wednesday. We're going to go to Wendy's. Papa John's is closing restaurants. Wendy's is closing restaurants. Pizza Hut is closing restaurants. And I saw a post on X where they said Krispy Kreme got taken over at one of these where they, get money together and then they suck all the money out of the company and ruin it. And now donuts at Krispy Kreme are $22 a dozen in some places, which is outrageous. And instead of giving them away at the end of the day, they now throw them in the dumpster. Venture capital. It's like Heinz Kraft, who are now going to spin off the Kraft, I believe. They came in and ruined did major damage to a classic American company. Should have been left alone. But I suspect the Heinz family needed the buck. So, all right, that's it for this one. I still have to post the first video I did on the iPad, where I was rather sleepy. It's breezy out there now and a bit nippy. Oh, forgetting the ever popular weather. Okay, let's look at the weather. The dot said it was going to rain in Benicia this morning, and there's absolutely zero chance of rain. The dot is wrong frequently, and why they tell me it's going to rain across the bridge 10 miles from here is beyond me. Okay, all right, it is 4:54, feels like 49. It will be 64 today, and into the 60s until Friday. It will be 70s with no rain in sight. Oh, there are blustery winds off the coast, 8 miles an hour. And right now it's 8 gusts of 17. That's where the blustery was coming from. South Lake Tahoe, 32. Probability no snow because there's no rain. There's probably no snow. No, I'm wrong. They don't got snow, but they got rain on Wednesday. 35% chance of rain. There are storms in Oregon and Salt Lake. Reno, same deal. Oakland, 53. Boston, 11. And they're having definite rain. Oh, Top Cat's going to enjoy this. I know he's got the shovel ready. 13 feels like 6 right now. Today will be 26, low 11. Excuse me, I got to drink some hot tea here. My voice is going again. 14 low on Tuesday with rain. 34 low on Wednesday with rain. 31 low on Thursday with snow. Then back to rain Friday at 35. Then Sunday, Monday, rain. 43. New York is at 21. Let's see what's going on in New York. Feels like 16. Gust of 24 miles an hour. Rain Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And in 21 tonight, and then down to the 30s and back up to the 50s and down to the 40s. Pittsburgh is 21 and cloudy. And wind gusts 13. Rain Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Holy cow, Monday. So it's going to rain for a week, 90%. Walnut Creek, 50. Pleasant Hill, 51. San Francisco, 52 and cloudy. Las Vegas, 59, cloudy. Sacramento, 50. Phoenix, 61. LA, 56 and cloudy. Berkeley, 52. Concord, 51. London, 48. where Starmer finally got off the dime and approved acting against Iran. And there's no rain at all. It's all sunny or cloudy at 48. Berlin, sunny. Well, I just lost Berlin. Calling Berlin. 35 and sunny for the rest of the week, but in the 30s and 40s. So there you go, a nice temperature there. Moscow, the garden spot. And 65 in rain, 70 in snow, 21, 33, and down to 3 next Tuesday with the sun out. Figure that one out. And where Kathy lives, it is 55, feels like 48, and it will be in the 50s all week. Okay, that's the weather. Stay warm, stay safe, stay hydrated. I'm looking forward in 18 days, happy March 2nd, to going to UFOCon. And I have the screen protector. I have something else coming. And the charging cable, I'm going to have to find my charging brick that I can plug into the iPad. I have no idea. It's in a box. I took all that stuff and put it in the shoebox. What shoebox and where it is, I don't know. Have a great morning. And thanks for watching. Click the like button. You can subscribe to the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else. And I'll be cleaning the kitchen tonight, the kitchen floor, get everything off the floor. I told Kathy I want a new mop. For my birthday in April, I need a new mop. I actually need 2 of them. So, but I got the pet. I haven't seen Mama Cat. I've seen Mama Cat and Kitten, but they're staying downstairs all the time. They won't come in the house. Probably, maybe it's the too many cords in the floor under the bed, and I don't know. But I miss my babies. So, but Kitten meowed at me tonight. Meowed at me when I gave them their crunchies and their wet food, which they ate, or Kitten ate. Kitten ate 3 times. And I left the dish down on them just now, and of course, Mr. Raccoon came up, and I'm not going to go down and take the dish before Raccoon is hungry. Add some crunchies in it, so Raccoon is welcome to crunchies, but I'm not going to do that again. I'm not going to leave food after they ate their food. I'm going to take it back up and throw it out, because it goes bad in the icebox. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great night, and I'll take my phone over tomorrow to Tiny's and see if the gray tabby shows up and do a video of the 3. I just almost put my phone in the teacup. Oh yeah, one more thing. There were 3 earthquakes in a row, 3.27, and others at San Ramon this evening, about 11:24. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm sure Patty is happy to feel 3.3s and 2s, because she lives in San Ramon, which has had probably 3 or 4 earthquakes in the last several months. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and this has been Pittsburgh Unboxing and Cat Feeding News. Have a great morning. See you later. Bye-bye for now. Bye, kitties, wherever you are.